Before every hook leaves our facility, it goes through a meticulous packaging process. Here's how we do it. Workers begin by carefully positioning a heavy-duty hook, assembly onto a wooden pallet base. Protective cushioning pads are placed underneath to prevent any surface contact damage. Green polyester strapping is then threaded through and around the hook, locking it firmly to the pallet. Spaced-out solid wooden panels are assembled around the secured hook to form a rugged, protective enclosure. A pneumatic nail gun drives each fastener into place with precision, securing the side panels to the pallet base. Workers check alignment as each panel goes up, ensuring the structure is square, tight, and ready to withstand the demands of international shipping. Solidly, wooden panels are assembled around the secured hook to form a rugged, protective enclosure. A pneumatic nail gun drives each fastener into place with precision, securing the side panels to the pallet base. Workers check alignment as each panel goes up, ensuring the structure is square, tight, and ready to withstand the demands of international shipping. With the crate sealed, workers begin wrapping the entire package in transparent stretch film. Starting from the base, the film is pulled tightly around all four sides and across the top surface. Layer by layer, the wrapping builds up, creating a continuous moisture barrier that shields the wood and the go beneath. Workers move out each pass by hand, pressing the film flat to eliminate gaps and loose edges. A second package crate sits nearby, already wrapped and ready, a sign that this is routine, not an exception. By the time the wrapping is complete, every exposed surface of the crate is sealed against dust, humidity, and surface scratches. Down in the final step, green polyester strapping is tensioned around the wrapped crate using a pneumatic tool. The machine pulls each strap to exact specifications, locking the entire package into one solid, immovable unit. The packaging is complete, ready to ship, ready to perform.